René Descartes, made by Davidova Tatiana, first-year master's student of Faculty of Foreign Languages of Tashkent State Pedagogical University named after Nizami. René Descartes was a French philosopher, scientist, and mathematician, widely considered a seminal figure in the emergence of modern philosophy and science. Mathematics was central to his method of inquiry, and he connected the previously separate fields of geometry and algebra into analytic geometry. Descartes' philosophy. Many elements of Descartes' philosophy have precedents in late Aristotelianism, the revived Stoicism of the 16th century, or in earlier philosophers like Augustine. In his natural philosophy, he differed from the schools on two major points. First, he rejected the splitting of corporeal substance into matter and form. Second, he rejected any appeal to final ends, divine or natural, in explaining natural phenomena. Descartes has often been called the father of modern philosophy and is largely seen as responsible for the increased attention given to epistemology in the 17th century. He laid the foundation for 17th century continental rationalism, later advocated by Spinoza and Leibniz, and was later opposed by the empiricist school of thoughts consisting of Hobbes, Locke, Berkeley, and Hume. The rise of early modern rationalism is a highly systematic school of philosophy in its own right, for the first time in history, exerted an immense and profound influence on modern Western thought in general, with the birth of two influential rationalistic philosophical systems of Descartes and Spinoza. Mathematics and geometry. Descartes' influence in mathematics is equally apparent. The Cartesian coordinate system was named after him. He is credited as the father of analytic geometry, used in discovery of infinitesimal calculus and analysis. Descartes was also one of the key figures in the scientific revolution. Cartesian coordinate system, a right rectangular system for identifying the location of points in 2 or 3-dimensional space. Analytic geometry, also called coordinate geometry, is a mathematical subject in which algebraic symbolism and methods are used to represent and solve problems in geometry. A Cartesian coordinate system is a plane in a coordinate system that specifies each point equally by a pair of numeric coordinates, which are the assigned distances to the point from two fixed perpendicular orientated lines measured in the same unit of length. Each reference coordinate line is called a coordinate axis or just axis, plural axis of the system, and the point where they meet is its origin at ordered pair 0, 0. The coordinates can also be defined as the positions of the perpendicular projections of the point onto the two axes, expressed as signed distances from the origin.